cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Buchanan County, Benton County, Western Delaware County, Northwestern Lynn County, until 11 p.m. At 10:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Denver to Tama, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Observed winds at Marshalltown and Waterloo airports. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cedar Rapids, Independence, Vinton, Manchester, Hiawatha, Robbins, Belle Plaine, Jessup, Center Point, Atkins, Urbana, Dysart, Fairbank, Halo, Shellsburg, Newhall, Edgewood, Winthrop, Hazleton, and Walker. This includes Interstate 380 between mile markers 25 and 55.